And once he has been found to be guilty, now the duty of the court is to only hear him on the punishment. What should be the punishment about it? It depends upon the court whether the court will give it the capital punishment or otherwise. He said without any hesitation that he had been made a victim of the whole situation. What he had done was because of the instruction of the higher police officials. That has been stated by him number of times. Even on the last day when he was declared to be guilty, he said so.
Punishment to be announced today. What about sir?
You see, obviously he has been found to be guilty because he was the only accused person who was put under trial. The other persons have not yet been brought before the trial court. The court has no alternative but to find him guilty. And once he has been found to be guilty, now the duty of the court is to only hear him on the punishment. What should be the punishment about it? It depends upon the court whether the court will give it the capital punishment or otherwise.
So, Sanjay Roy says that one IPS officer is involved. So
you see, what you are telling, Sanjay Roy has been shouting on this practically when the trial began. He said without any hesitation that he had been made a victim of the whole situation. What he had done was because of the instruction of the higher police officials. That has been stated by him number of times. Even on the last day when he was declared to be guilty, he said so. It was the bounden duty both of the court and the investigating agency to go for a fresh investigation on such allegation. Otherwise, in the minds of the common man, it would be impression would come that he has been unnecessarily found to be guilty. And there is no doubt about it that the incident cannot be really just outcome of somebody's sexual attitude and committing rape and murder. There must have been some other persons involved. I have been telling from the day one that this is a matter of larger conspiracy. And unfortunately, as of now, the investigating agency did not even make any endeavor to find out the other angles of the conspiracy. Had they found it upon investigation, that also ought to have been very frankly come out before the people, saying that upon investigation nothing is found. But keeping the people in dark in such a sensitive issue would lead to many doubt about the competence of investigating agency.
You were the first counsel on this victim family member, sir. You know that case very well. So you are also talk to the parents also. You can give me a statement also. So listen to the statement of the parents, victim parents. So, sir, what's your opinion about this case, about this whole the Sanjay Roy?
You see, from the day one, I have probably had also given interview to your channel. I am of the confirmed opinion that this is a matter of larger conspiracy. It's just not the involvement of a civic volunteer going up to the hospital premises where the lady doctor was working and commit rape on her or murder her. It cannot be. There must have been some involvement of many other people. The duty of the investigating agency was to reveal the truth. What are the real necessary causes behind this murder? They have already had taken the officer in charge of local police station, the principal of the college into custody. How could you take them into custody? Had not the prima facie material before you? Therefore, the investigating agency had the prima facie material of taking those persons into custody. Then what did they do thereafter? That's a big question which has to be satisfactorily answered by CBI.
Today is judgment, sir, final judgment against this article and rape murder case. So, just Sanjay Roy is guilty, is punished. That's to get justice for everyone.
No. Sanjay Roy may be one of the tools of the entire conspiracy. Therefore, you have found someone physically to give him punishment. but that will not give you justice. If you want to give justice to the whole situation, to the society, society is also crying here for justice. Therefore, the investigating agency, again I repeat, ought to have been much more vigilant, ought to have been much more watchful and show their brilliance in investigations.